This is the unboxing of my 2021-2022 Erin Condren Monthly Planner. The planner came with a few gift labels. The planner cover has a pink floral peony watercolor drawing, and the spiral of the planner is rose gold. The yearly spread at the beginning of the planner has July 2021 all the way through December of 2022. The first monthly spread in this planner is September of 2021. There are multiple blank pages after each monthly spread that you could use to create your own weekly spreads. The last monthly spread of this planner is August of 2022. There is another yearly spread in the back of the planner that has January of 2023 to December of 2023. And there are stickers in the back of the planner, as well as a little folder to keep any other stickers or gift labels that you may have. The back cover of the planner also has the same pink floral peony design.